Guys, what's up? Got an unboxing today, and as you can tell, there's the package. It's not a very big package, but it's something what I will enjoy quite much in there. So let's see. Got my EDC blade, spyderco resistance. Ooh. Alright, and let's open this one up. It is just a medium sized package, so let's open it up. Let's see. This one. Two. How is this? Three. There we go. Oh. Fold it over. Let's close this one. Spyderco resistance. Perfect, man. What's this? Alright, just a little now. And oh yeah, there is water. We got some notes over here. Yeah, alright. What do we got? Well, we got a spyderco sharpmaker. I needed this one for a while, and I didn't have one, so this is a birthday present from my father. My birthday is tomorrow, so let's open this one up. How shall I open it? I think I will. So I will open this up. Maybe this is out of frame. Let's see. My resistance definitely needs some sharpening, because it's really not. It's not really cutting or something, but no, it actually doesn't cut. I think. Damn. I didn't expect it was this tall, but alright, so here we go. Gonna open it now. What the hell? So I just got it. Spyderco label off. Well, let's see. Oh. Alright. There we go. Finally. A bit more. I know what they have done. They make package so strong that when you cut it open with your knife, you immediately needed to sharpen it again. So that's what they have done. There you go. More like packages all freaking done. Yeah. Alright, so still this is going to happen. What's the second thing? Yeah, it was. Alright, so first of all, I read on the forums. It was kind of smart to watch the DVD first. so this is the instructional DVD. It says spyderco triangle sharpmaker instructional DVD. So we're gonna watch that one first, and second one is, let me get it back there. Just a minute. Oh, it's going well. Alright, so this is a sharpmaker. Everyone has seen this before, so I don't really have to explain. Search it up and a review of gut relover or whatever will pop up for you. And let's see, when I got it like this. What the hell is that? Oops. Alright, so let's see. Another frame actually. I can't see what degree it is. Or am I stupid? Let's see. Let's see. So this is probably, I don't know actually. That one. Work, come on. Alright, so let's see what angle is closer to nothing. That's one. And it's what? It's not possible. Alright, so I need to figure that out, but yeah. I will give you guys a little sharpening video when I'm finished with it, and yeah, that was all about it. Maybe some more unboxings later in the future, but that's about it for now. So thanks guys for watching, and hope to see you next time. Bye.